Hi guys, welcome to my channel JP Lottery. So friends, in this video, I show double UK49 lunchtime and tea time prediction for 18 November Tuesday 2025. Now lunchtime single prediction numbers: number 10, number 11, number 27, number 29, number 32, number 35. Now lunchtime single prediction number repeat: number 10, number 11, number 27, number 29, number 32, number 35. Now lunchtime second prediction numbers: number 23, number 37, number 40, number 44, number 48, number 49. Today lunchtime second prediction number repeat: number 23, number 37, number 40, number 44, number 48, number 49. Now lunchtime booster ball numbers: number 35, and number 42, and number 45, and number 48. Today lunchtime bonus ball number repeat: number 35, number 42, number 45, number 48. Now tea time prediction for Tuesday 18 November 2025. Today time single prediction numbers: number 1, number 4, number 18, number 19, number 24, number 30. Today time single prediction number repeat: number 1, number 4, number 18, number 19, number 24, number 30. Now tea time second prediction numbers: number 12, number 20, number 34, number 41, number 48, number 49. Three times second prediction number repeat: number 12, number 20, number 34, number 41, number 42, number 48. Three time bonus ball numbers: number 2, number 49, number 47, number 40. Today number repeat: number 2, number 49, number 47, number 40. So friends, complete today lunchtime and tea time prediction numbers. So friends, like and comment this video. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for next draw notification.